Are you tired of your money just sitting in a regular bank account, earning next to nothing? Have you heard of EverBank and wondered if it's the right place for you to grow your savings? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of EverBank accounts to give you a clear, no-nonsense breakdown of the pros and cons. We'll look at everything from their highly competitive interest rates to some of the potential downsides you need to be aware of. Let's start with the good stuff, the pros. EverBank is a primarily online institution, and they leverage that model to offer some of the most competitive yields on the market. Their performance savings account, for example, is well known for its high APY, or annual percentage yield. This means your money can grow significantly faster than it would in a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. Another major plus is their commitment to low and no fees. Most of their accounts, including the performance savings and performance checking, come with no monthly maintenance fees. And when you're out and about, they offer access to a huge network of surcharge-free ATMs. Plus, they'll even reimburse a certain amount of fees for out-of-network ATMs, which is a big relief. And for those who like to keep their money liquid, EverBank's money market account also offers competitive rates, giving you the best of both worlds. A high yield with the flexibility to access your funds with a debit card and checks. But it's not all sunshine and high yields. Now for the cons. The most obvious one is the lack of a physical presence. While they have a limited number of branches, mainly in California and Florida, this is a mostly online-only experience. If you're someone who needs to speak with a teller or a banker in person regularly, this might not be the right fit for you. Another potential issue is the limited mobile app functionality. While it gets the job done for basic tasks like check deposits and bill pay, some users have reported that the app isn't as polished or intuitive as those from other major banks. For a digital-first bank, a clunky app can be a significant drawback. And finally, let's talk about cash. Since there are so few physical locations, depositing cash can be a real hassle. If you deal with a lot of physical money, you'll have to find a workaround, which can be a deal breaker for some. So, in summary, EverBank is a fantastic choice if you prioritize earning a high yield and a low fee structure and are comfortable with a purely digital banking experience. However, if you rely on in-person banking services or frequently need to deposit cash, you might want to look elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.